What if creating cinematic images and videos didn't require complex software, multiple subscriptions, or hours of editing? What if one platform could handle visuals, motion, audio, and cinematic consistency from start to finish? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how that works with one of the fastest growing AI video platforms right now, Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield is a creator-first generative AI platform designed to make cinematic content creation simple, fast, and production-ready. Instead of jumping between different AI tools for images, video, audio, and editing, Higgsfield brings everything together in one unified workflow. Inside a single dashboard, you get access to some of the world's most powerful AI models, including Nano Pro, WAN 2.5, Kling 2.6 audio, and the newly launched Cinema Studio, an end-to-end filmmaking pipeline built for serious creators. What you can create and why Higgsfield is different. With Higgsfield, you can generate cinematic images, short films, reels, ads, and storytelling videos, all without traditional cameras or editing software. What makes Higgsfield stand out is how creator-friendly it is. You get high-resolution outputs, cinematic framing, consistent characters, built-in motion and audio, and templates that actually save time. Whether you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, marketer, or content creator, Higgsfield is built to help you move from idea to finished video faster, without sacrificing quality. Step by step, how to use Nano Pro image generation. After logging into Higgsfield, go to the Image tab from the top navigation and click Create Image. This opens the image generation dashboard where all your visuals are created. First, choose Nano Pro as your model. This is important because it delivers the highest image quality and supports up to 4K resolution. Now move to the prompt box. This is where you describe exactly what you want to generate. The more clear and descriptive your prompt is, the better the output will be. For example prompt, Nano Pro. Cinematic laptop mock-up on a dark wooden desk. Cozy home interior at night. Warm ambient lighting. Modern UI displayed on the screen. Shallow depth of field. Ultra-realistic cinematic photography. 4K quality. After writing your prompt, select the aspect ratio based on where you plan to use the image. Choose 16:9 for YouTube thumbnails or banners, 9:16 for Instagram Reels or Shorts, or 1:1 for posts and ads. Next, choose your resolution, 1K for normal use, 2K for professional work, or 4K for the best cinematic output. Then select how many images you want to generate at once. You can start with one image and increase it later. If you have reference images, you can upload them to guide the AI's style or composition. Once everything is set, click Generate, and within seconds, Nano Pro will deliver a clean, high-resolution cinematic image that you can download, share, or animate. Step by step, creating cinematic videos with WAN 2.5. To generate videos, go to the Video tab and click Create Video. Here, you can either upload an image you created earlier or choose from Higgsfield's built-in templates. For more creative freedom and bold ideas, select WAN 2.5 as your video model. Once your image is uploaded, move to the prompt section and describe the motion, camera movement, and mood you want in your video. For example prompt, WAN 2.5. Slow cinematic camera push-in toward a laptop on a desk, soft lighting, realistic hand typing, subtle camera shake, shallow depth of field, professional commercial style, smooth motion. Next, choose the duration of the video. WAN 2.5 supports videos up to 10 seconds, which is perfect for reels, ads, and short storytelling clips. Then select the aspect ratio. Keep the resolution at 1080p for best performance. Once all settings are selected, click Generate. WAN 2.5 will create a video where motion, camera movement, and timing feel natural, without needing any external editing. Step by step, using Kling 2.6 audio, video plus voice together. If you want videos with built-in voice and ambience, choose Kling 2.6 Audio instead. From the video creation screen, select Kling 2.6 Audio as your model. This model is ideal when you want complete scenes generated in one pass. In the prompt box, describe both the visuals and the audio clearly. For example prompt, Kling 2.6 Audio. A cinematic product showcase scene in a modern studio, soft background music, calm male voice explaining the product, smooth camera pan, realistic lighting, professional commercial tone. Kling 2.6 Audio automatically generates synchronized visuals, voiceover, and background ambience. You don't need to record audio separately or add sound effects later. Choose your video duration and resolution, then click Generate. The output is a complete, ready-to-use video scene in full 1080p. Step-by-step Cinema Studio, end-to-end filmmaking workflow. Cinema Studio is designed for creators who want cinematic consistency across multiple shots. Open Cinema Studio from the Higgsfield dashboard. Start by generating a keyframe using text-to-image. This first frame defines the look, lighting, and mood of your entire scene. Example, prompt, Cinema Studio, image stage. Moody cinematic interior, single light source from the window, dramatic shadows, film-like texture, 35mm cinema lens look, dark tones, professional cinematography. Once the image is generated, convert it directly into video using image to video inside Cinema Studio. Here, you can select camera and lens profiles to maintain visual consistency. Example prompt, Cinema Studio video stage. Slow dolly movement from left to right, cinematic pacing, natural motion blur, film grain, realistic lighting transitions. Cinema Studio ensures framing, lighting, and camera movement remain intentional and cinematic. Why this workflow works so well? The biggest advantage of Higgsfield is that everything connects smoothly. You can generate an image with Nano Banana Pro, animate it using WAN 2.5 or Kling 2.6 Audio, and refine the entire cinematic experience using Cinema Studio, all without switching platforms or paying for multiple tools. Higgsfield offers flexible pricing depending on your usage, with plans designed for both casual creators and professionals. You can explore the platform, test different models, and scale as needed without managing multiple subscriptions. Try Higgsfield AI using the link in the description below. If you want cinematic images, powerful AI videos, built-in audio, and a real filmmaking workflow all in one place, Higgsfield is absolutely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.